In this video we're going to talk about to cut off the dollar or any fiat currencies. Yes, you heard me right, because if you're watching this video, you know about the fundamental values of Bitcoin being deflationary and decentralized, being the money of the future and for the people. And we're going to find out with a simple strategy that is going to change your life, how you can maximize your Bitcoin holdings. Because if you look at the charts of Bitcoin, yes, we are in this major accumulation phase and we could expect this bullish move towards the halvening, and after the halvening we could expect this parabolic run. And we're going to look at a simple strategy that is going to maximize your Bitcoin holdings. So all you have to do is watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly activate the bell so that you will stay up to date. And welcome back to B for Crypto. Yes guys, in this video we're going to find out which simple strategy is going to change your life. Because if you look at the price movement of Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin moves in cycles. We are having this parabolic run after the halvening, leading into a bear market and an all-time high for Bitcoin, and afterwards we can see that Bitcoin is in this major accumulation phase, and towards the halvening we could expect this bullish move. After the halvening, a parabolic run reaching all the way to the all-time high, followed by a bear market, accumulation phase, major bullish move towards the halvening, parabolic run towards the all-time high, bear market, and at the moment we are in this accumulation phase. Bitcoin is about to break out even higher, and if you're having a small investment into Bitcoin, guys, we're going to look at the strategy that is going to really change your life. But guys, if you want to support this channel, go down in the video description below and sign up with my referral links where you receive a major deposit bonus if you sign up with my links. And guys, you can also maximize your profits by following all my trades in my copy trading group. Links are also in the video description below. So let me explain you the simple strategy. So the first step is going to be to invest into Bitcoin, to take your savings and to invest into Bitcoin using a simple strategy called dollar cost average. And this means to buy Bitcoin on a regular basis, maybe daily, weekly, monthly, and this will be the best entry point for Bitcoin if you're going to take a small amount and invest it through dollar cost average into Bitcoin. So this is going to be the first step to enter into the crypto market, to invest into Bitcoin through dollar cost averaging. But then what happens? The price movement goes up and your investment makes some profit. So what are you going to do? Are you going to take your Bitcoin profits and convert it back into dollars? No, we're going to cut off the dollars, because yes, all around the world the banks are having problems. We are seeing a major inflation, and you don't want to take your profits and burn it by taking profits into US dollars. And that's why we're going to take away the US dollars. So yes, we're just going to take a small amount back into our savings, but the rest we're going to keep in Bitcoin. Because yes, Bitcoin is the money of the future and we want to maximize our Bitcoin holdings. We don't want to hold dollars. So the next step is going to be, we want to take a part of our profits that we have from Bitcoin through dollar cost averaging. We want to invest into passive income. We want to generate passive income, maybe in the form of copy trading, or even staking. And the profits that we make from this passive income, yes, we're going to dollar cost average back into Bitcoin to once again maximize our Bitcoin holdings. But what we are going to do, yes, we're going to take Bitcoin and invest it into altcoins with the power of pricing in Bitcoin, to cut off the dollar, to price in Bitcoin. So the next step is going to be, we're going to look at the chart so that you understand the point of pricing in Bitcoin. And we're going to look at Phantom. So let's say we have invested into Bitcoin through dollar cost average, and we also maximized our profits through the passive income being staking, copy trading, or even trading on the leverage market. And we're going to take these profits that we have made in Bitcoin, we're going to invest it in altcoins, pricing them in Bitcoin. And yes, this is the Phantom token, and we are pricing it in Bitcoin. And this means that we are pricing the asset being Phantom in Bitcoin. And this means, yes, one Phantom token is at the moment 0.000060863 for one Phantom token priced in Bitcoin. We're going to take the Bitcoin and we're going to invest it in Phantom, because if we look at the price movement all the way to the all-time high, then yes, we can see that Phantom has moved all the way from these levels, from the lows that we are in at the moment, all the way to the all-time high of staggering 800%. And if we go back to the price movement of Bitcoin, we're going to take the price movement from the price at the moment all the way to the all-time high, then we can see, yes, this would be 147% compared to, yes, 800% towards the upside. So this means if we're only going to take 0.1 Bitcoin of our Bitcoin investment and invest it into Phantom, we're going to 8x our Bitcoin investment, and this means we have invested 0.1 Bitcoin into Phantom, and the profits that we're going to make at the top of the all-time high is going to be 0.8 Bitcoin, nearly a whole Bitcoin, just with a small investment into Phantom. So that is what you're going to do. You're going to take a part of your Bitcoin and invest it into the altcoins. But guys, the timing is going to be very important, because you don't want to enter Phantom with your Bitcoin at the top. And this means, yes, you need to invest at the bottom to take the profits at the all-time high, or even just take a percentage of that. You're going to take 50% of your Bitcoins that you have invested into Phantom and put it back into your Bitcoin holdings, and the rest you're going to let it ride all the way to a new all-time high. But guys, this is the power of pricing in Bitcoin and to cutting off the US dollar from your investment. So let's go back over to the strategy. So this is going to be your ultimate goal, to invest into Bitcoin through dollar cost averaging, and then to reinvest your Bitcoin holdings into a passive income so that you can generate even more Bitcoin. And then you're going to take parts of your Bitcoin and invest it into the altcoins, and these profits you're going to put back into Bitcoin. And yes, at the top of the markets, you're going to take profits in dollar to get over the next bear market. Because if we look at the charts, yes, we could expect this parabolic run all the way to a new all-time high for Bitcoin, and this will be the moment where you're going to take profits so that you can survive the next bear market that we're going to see after the all-time high round about September 2025. So yes, this is a simple strategy that you can use to maximize your Bitcoin holding, because yes, Bitcoin is the money of the future, and you don't want to take your profits back into dollars, because yes, this is what you're doing. You're buying Bitcoin to be financially free. And guys, if you're using the simple strategy with a passive income to generate more Bitcoin and also to reinvest your Bitcoin into the altcoins so that you can see a massive pump towards the upside in all these different altcoins, because yes, if we go across the board, you can see the potential just towards the all-time high is crazy. And if you're going to take a small amount of Bitcoin, you're going to 3x your Bitcoin holdings. So yes, using this simple strategy with small investments into Bitcoin to maximize your Bitcoin holdings is going to give you financial freedom. So guys, if you like this update, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly, activate the bell so that you always stay up to date and that you don't miss new content. And make sure to be for crypto.